crack open this bottle of champagne.
Not yet. Before we do, our cameras are out on the street, and some people have questions about how to dress up for a big night out in the town.
Oh, okay.
I do have a question for Stacy and Clinton. I'm a full-figured male, and I often limit myself to dark colors, and I really want to incorporate brighter colors into my wardrobe. Tell me what's for me.
Did you look in the mirror before we react? Because he's wearing red.
And plaid at that. So just keep on doing what you're doing.
Just keep on trucking.
Stacy and Clinton, is it cool to wear Uggs out at night?
Yeah, if you live in Alaska and you're going to get milk.
There's a reason they call them Uggs. Ugg.
Wait.
Stacy and Clinton, I believe you can wear sneakers to anything, and I plan on wearing them to my wedding in 9 months. Is that a no-no?
All right, if you're a man, you don't wear sneakers to a wedding. Boys might do that.
And they have to be under 4 feet tall.
Stacy, we know how much you love shoes. Or do you think our shoes for a night out in town?
No!
When you're pregnant, what kinds of things should you wear out on the town?
Nothing too constricting.
And your doctor's telephone number, I guess, somewhere on your body.
Hey, Stacy and Clinton, 2 questions for you. What are your thoughts on spandex? And do you ever think bodysuits will come back in style?
I mean, as a material, I think, it was revolutionary.
Yeah, I don't like to see it at the gym too much, however, on men.
Yeah, no, I draw the line there as well.
Yeah.
I mean, it definitely has its place in the world, usually better when mixed with another material.
Right.
Is a bodysuit coming back only if you're in dance class?
Stacy and Clinton, when is it okay for me to wear my new leather pants in 2005?
The very last day.
I don't know. I think you can wear leather pants on January 1st if you want to.
Well, let's just hope that they fit.
When are we going to bring back the bustle? Because I am so into the bustle on a miniskirt. Bustle, miniskirt, fishnets, high heels. I'm all about it.
I'm just guessing here, but I think the bustle will come back in style before that hat ever does.
Stacy and Clinton, when I go out at night, is it okay to wear stilettos or thigh-high boots?
Well, not at the same time. I mean, you're either wearing a thigh-high boot that is a stiletto, or you're wearing a stiletto that's not a thigh-high boot.
The thigh-high boot is pretty tricky to pull off.
It's pretty tricky to pull off. If you have a long, lean frame, you can do it, but with pants. With a skirt, you just look like you're trying to be a pirate.
Stacy Clinton, is it okay to wear short mini skirts at night to parties?
Totally.
As long as you can't see your puppet.
That means belly button in Yiddish.
I'm really tired of pink, and I'm just wondering if everyone's still wearing pink during the holidays.
Well, the Easter Bunny sure is.
I'm tired of pink. Is pink that big of a trend for men?
Was pink that big of a trend for Christmas?
I don't get it.
I don't get it.
If you don't like pink, don't wear pink, dude.
It's a free country.
Hi, Clinton and Stacy. It's Juanita Moore. And I'd like to know what you think is going to happen in 2005 in fashion.
Men
Will start dressing
like women. I think that's going to be a big trend.
big. Everywhere they're going to start doing it. And so you're going to just look like everyone else there.
Yeah, well, he'll have to dress in a suit.